So if we have this free body diagram, the question says that it starts with 5 kilograms. Armed with this information, I can figure out force weight, or also known as force due to gravity. Force weight equals mass times the acceleration, and in this case, acceleration is the acceleration due to gravity of negative 9.8. When I do the math, I get negative 49 newtons. Well, that's great, but if it's negative 49 newtons down, it does not mention that it is accelerating towards the center of the Earth, so I know that force normal is positive 49 newtons. Okay, armed with this information, I can go figure out what the force net is in the x-axis, and I've made this in red because it's in the x. And so that is force net equals mass times acceleration in the x. So I replace some numbers with letters. I'm told that the mass is 5.0 kilograms and there's 0 acceleration. That's in the problem. So force net, because any number times 0 is 0. Basically, this means that going to the left and going to the right in the x-axis, I am in equilibrium. So actually, every axis is in equilibrium. So in order for F net in the x to be 0, I'm going to add all the forces to the right and all the forces to the left. Since I found out that F net is 0, the forces to the right we don't know about, but we do know that the force due to friction is negative 12 newtons. In order to solve this, I'm going to add 12 newtons to both sides to get F forces to the right all by itself on the right or left hand side, and so that means the force going off to the right is 12 newtons.